In the rugged, sun-scorched Badlands, the air shimmers with intense heat distortion. This is an unforgiving crucible, where resources are scarce and weakness is a death sentence. Here, survival requires more than just biological strength. It demands an unbreakable spirit. In the shadow of a crumbling canyon wall, we find a Tyrogue. Small, purple-skinned, and seemingly fragile, this juvenile is actually a bundle of volatile potential. Its nervous system is constantly flooded with adrenaline, causing its body to vibrate with excess energy. It is driven by a primal hormonal urge, a compulsion to challenge enemies far larger than itself. It does not rest. It spends its days pummeling granite boulders and petrified wood. This is not play, it is calculated self-destruction. By repeatedly striking hard surfaces, the Tyrogue microfractures its skeletal structure. As these fractures heal, the bone calcifies and grows back denser, heavier, and harder. It is forging living steel from flesh, preparing its body for a destiny that is written in its DNA, yet decided by its actions. Soon, its biology reaches a critical crossroads. Depending on how it develops its musculature, its genetic code will split. For this Tyrogue, the focus shifts entirely to the lower body. The evolution begins. The transformation is radical. The neck recedes, pulling the head down to merge with the torso for armored protection. Its sensory organs migrate to its chest. But the most terrifying change occurs in the limbs. The rigid leg bones dissolve, replaced by unique coiled muscle fibers that wrap around flexible cartilage. It stands up, reborn as Hitmonlee. Hitmonlee is a marvel of biomechanics. It is no longer a brawler, it is a spring-loaded weapon. Its legs act like high-tension industrial springs, not rigid levers. This elasticity allows it to store immense potential energy in its coils. In a millisecond, it can release this tension, extending its reach to triple its standing height. It is the ultimate ambush predator of the canyons, capable of striking a target from 20 feet away before the sound of the kick even arrives. But it is not the only master of combat here. A Hitmonchan, a close genetic cousin that prioritized upper body mass, claims this territory. While Hitmonlee is the whip, Hitmonchan is the hammer. Its hands have evolved into swollen, calcified biological pistons designed to shatter rock and bone. The meeting is inevitable, a clash of divergent evolution, two paths crossing at a single violent point. The Hitmonchan closes the distance, looking for a devastating hook. The Hitmonlee waits. It compresses its coils, storing kinetic energy. Then, snap! The sheer velocity of the kick creates a localized sonic boom. The impact is percussive. The force throws the Hitmonchan backward, winded and outranged. In the wild, energy conservation is key. The rival retreats, acknowledging the superior range. With the threat gone, the Hitmonlee relaxes its coils, a solitary sentinel of the Badlands, perfectly balanced, waiting for the next challenge.